Slides and voting contains votes, Q&A, chat, knowledge games and surveys. So in slides and voting, all the features of TEDME are included. In this video, we will focus on the differences between slides and voting and votes without slides and go through the features that are only available in slides and voting. Let's create our presentation. Click on Create. We give it a name, Annual General Meeting, and then click on Create Presentation. Our voting with slides has been successfully created. In the left menu, I now have the same features as in votes without slides. They are surveys, event information, settings, and additionally the slides option where I can upload my slides. I select the slide option and can drag and drop my slides as image files into this large field or select and upload them from my folder structure. For example, I can obtain the slides by saving them as JPEG in PowerPoint. I choose some slides and import them. I can later enable or disable these, but I cannot edit them. Don't forget to save the order after arranging it with drag and drop. Let's add 1 or 2 questions. I click on Questions on the left, add a new question. Let's go with How did you log in? We select single choice, since I can only choose one option, and we choose a bar chart and provide various answer options. Important is the slide field. Here I decide whether to create a new slide and thus a question that is independent of my imported slides, or whether I assign my question to one of the imported slides. Then my question will be displayed in relation to the imported slide and linked to it. I'll assign this one to the imported slide. For creating questions and question types, there are several video tutorials available. Therefore, we won't go into too much detail here. Let's create another question which is not linked to a slide. Do you like TEDME? If I click on Slides again, my independently created question appears as a separate slide. On the other hand, if I link my question to an imported slide, both will appear together. In this view, I can activate, deactivate and delete slides and edit their order. In the menu on the left, I can also assign a survey. I've already created some in advance that I can activate here to use in my presentation, for example as a feedback form at the end. Furthermore, I can provide event information such as an agenda or other content that all participants can view and download on their mobile devices. I can only activate the data in the presentation if I've entered it beforehand. To start my session, I click on Start Session, give it a room name, and we're ready to go. There's a separate tutorial for the execution.